Class 9, come to question number 1, exercise 15.1. It is written, I see the house of Kamal and let us find the answer. You can see I have made already. This one is garden of Kamal, this one is veranda, this one is reading room. Okay, and this one is 10 centimeter, this one is 5 meter, this is 20 and this one is also 20. Okay, and this one is 6 meter. Okay. Now one by one there are 3 questions you have to find answer. Okay. Now Roman 1 is let us write by calculating the area of Kamal's garden. So you can see that Roman 1 is very easy. Area of Kamal's garden. You know that area of Kamal's garden is length into breadth. Length is also 20. Length is also 20, breadth is also 20. So you will write first length into breadth equals to 20 into 20. It will give you 400 meter square. Understood this one? So because this one is only garden, okay? So area of Kamal's garden is length into breadth. Length is also 20, breadth is also 20. It will become 400 meter square. Okay? Now after that, second question is let us write by calculating how much cost is required to repair the floor of Kamal's veranda if rupees 30 is the cost per square meter. Per square meter, class 9 I told you whenever it is given that find the total cost per square meter is given to you. First you have to find area. So first you will find area of veranda. So I am doing here Roman 2. Area of veranda. Again you will use same formula L into B. Now see the question. This one is 10 and this one is 5. So what you will do? 5 into 10 or 10 into 5 you can do. You will get 50 meter square. So area of veranda is 15 meter square. Now what is the cost? How much cost is required to repair the floor of Kamal's veranda if rupees 30 is the cost per square meter? So total cost to repair veranda if rupees 30 is the cost per square meter. Per square meter. Now how you will find total cost? Per square cost is 30 and total area is 50. So what you will do? You will multiply 30 into 50. How much you will get? 2 zeros, 5 3s are 50. So total cost is rupees 1500. Okay. Second part done. First copy up to here. Pause your video and copy up to here. After that, come to the third part. It is written, Kamal wants to cover the floor of his reading room with tiles. Let us write by calculating how many tiles will be required to cover his floor of reading room with size of tiles 25 cm into 25 cm. Now size of each tile is given 25 cm into 25 cm. Means length is also 25, breadth is also 25. Okay, so first what you will do, you will find area of veranda. Okay, so you will first find area of veranda. I am having first question. Area of reading room, not veranda, reading room. Area of reading room, because Kamal wants to cover the floor of reading room with tiles. Okay, so area of reading rooms will be length into breadth. Now see this one is reading room. This part is given, breadth is given, length is 5. Why? Because if this one is 5, this one is also 5. Okay. So if this is the shape, this one is breadth is 6 meter and length is 5. So you will do 5 into 6, which you will get 30 meter square. Okay. Now area of tiles. Area of tile is given 25 centimeter into 25 centimeter. Now this one you are getting into meter, you have to convert this centimeter as well as this centimeter into meter. So you will divide by 100. It will become meter. Again 25 divided by 100, it will become meter. Okay. I am writing this question also. So area will be 0.25 into 0.25. Now you can ask me, here you have 25 by 100, either you can cancel 25 ones or 25 fours, or you can, when you will divide this 2, because we have 2 zeros, so when you have 2 zeros, 2 decimal will come before 2 digit number. So here 1 point will come. Here also 2 zeros we have, so decimal will come before 2 digits. So 0 point here it will come meter square. Okay. So area of tiles we are getting 0.25 into 0.25 meter square. Now they are asking number of tiles. So for number of tiles, NO dot number of tiles, formula is total area of reading room by area of tiles. So area of reading rooms you are getting 30, and area of tiles you are getting 0.25 into 0.25. Why I am not multiplying? Because I have to cancel all this, that is why I am not multiplying. Now 0 will remove, it will come 100 here. Again, sorry, point will remove, it will come 100. Again point will remove, it will come 100 here. Okay. Now cancel this one by using 5 table. 5 6 are 30, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0. Again 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0. So you are getting 6 into 4 into 20. When you will multiply 6 4s are 24, 24 2s are 48, and 1 0 you have just put that. So the third answer will be 480 tiles will be required to cover his floor of reading room. Okay. So first answer, what you will write? Area of garden is how much you got? Area of garden, the first part you are getting 400, so you will write area of garden is 400. In the second part you are getting 1500 rupees. So you will write total cost required to repair a floor is 1500 rupees, and the third part you will write the total number of tiles required 480 meter to 480 to cover floor. Okay, reading room floor. Complete this one. Class 9C, question number 2.1. In question number 2 it is written, let us see the following pictures and calculate the area of its colored part. So in the first question, Roman 1, diagram is like this. From this length is 12, this is 8, this width is 3 meter, and this width is 3 meter. Okay, and this is the colored portion. You have to find area of colored portion only. Okay, so how you will do this sums? Please look at on the board. First you will find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Now see outer rectangle you can write also. Write area of outer rectangle. Now which one is outer rectangle, class 9? This full is outer rectangle. This one. Okay. So if length is 12 and breadth is 8, what will be your formula? N into B means 12 into 8, how much you will get? 96 meter square. So area of outer rectangle you are getting how much? 96 meter square. Now find area of inner rectangle. If you will find this area of this small rectangle, inner rectangle, and if you will subtract area of outer rectangle with area of inner rectangle, you will get this colored region. Understood this one? So first I am finding area of outer rectangle, then I have to find area of inner rectangle. But before that one, I have to find length of inner rectangle. Length of inner rectangle. Now total length is 12. This total length, outer rectangle length is 12. This one is 3 because it is written 3. So this one is 3. If you will subtract 12 minus 3, you will get from this point up to this point, because you need from this point up to this point only. You don't need this color region. So you will write, you will need only this one. So length will be, new length will be, length of inner rectangle will be 12 minus 3. So it will become 9 meter. Same for breadth we will do. Breadth of inner rectangle equals to, now you can see total breadth is 8. This one, if you will remove this one, you will get from this point up to this point. So what you will write? Breadth of inner rectangle 8 minus 3, because this portion is 3 only. So if you will subtract 3, you will get from here to here. Total is 8. If you will subtract 3, you will get here to here. So you will write 8 minus 3, which is 5 meter. Now what you will write? Area of inner rectangle equals to L into B. So inner length is 9 meter, inner breadth is 5. So you will write 9 into 5, which you will get 45 meters square. Now you have to find area of color part. Area of color part. Area of color part will be, I am writing here, area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Why area of outer rectangle? Because this one is outer one, this one is inner. If we will subtract outer with inner, we will get only this portion. Okay. So area of outer rectangle is 96 and area of inner is 45. So what you will write? 96 minus 45. You will get how much? 6 minus 5, 1. 9 minus 4, 5 meter square. So this one is your answer. Okay. So if this type of question will come, you will use this method to solve this answer. Okay. Copy this one. Class C, question number 2, 3. This is the diagram. This one is 9 meter and from this point to this point, this is 16 meter. And this width is given, this width or this width is given 4 meter. And which one is colored? This portion is colored. This portion is colored. Okay. So first of all, this is the outer rectangle and this one is inner rectangle. So we know that inner rectangle breadth is 9 meter and length is 16 meter. You will get area. So what you will write? Area of inner rectangle equals to L into B, length is 16 and breadth is 9. Now multiply, you will get 144 meter square. Okay. Okay. Now class 9, width is 4. Here also 4, this one is also 4, this one is also 4, this one, all the width. Whatever width you have, this part, this, all are 4 because it is written 4 meter. How you will find length of outer rectangle and breadth of outer rectangle? So see class 9, length of outer rectangle equals to, what is the length of inner rectangle? 16 plus 2 into 4. Now why 2 into 4? From this point to this point it is 16. This one is 4 and this one is 4. So total length will be 4 plus 4. You can write 4 plus 4 also, or you can multiply 2 into 4 because 2 times you have 4. So you can use both the method. It's upon you which method you want to use. I am using 16 plus 2 into 4. Why 2 into 4? Because both the sides we have 4 meter gap. So total length, if I want to find from this point to this point, up to here it is 16. This is 4 and this is 4. Means 2 into 4. Okay. So we will get how much? 16 plus 2 4s are 8. 24 meter. Now same thing we will do for finding breadth. Breadth of outer rectangle. Same, breadth is, this one is 9 meter. Now outer one is from here to here. Means this is 4, up to here it is 4, and this one is, up to this one is also 4. So 4 plus 4 means 8. So 9 is the breadth of the inner one. You have to add 2 into 4, or you can add 4 plus 4. It's upon you. 8. 17 meter. Okay. Now you have to find area. Area of outer rectangle equals to, what is the formula? L into B. Outer length is 24 and outer breadth is 17. So multiply this one and tell me how much you are getting. You will get 408. How much you will get? 408. Okay. Meter square. Okay. So area of outer rectangle you are getting 408 and area of inner rectangle is 144. Now what you will do, you have to subtract to find the colored part. So what you will write, I am rubbing this portion. Area of colored part equals to, you write equals to here also, area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Outer rectangle area is 408 and inner was 144. Now subtract this to 8 minus 4, 4, 10 minus 4, 6, 3 minus 1, 2. So this one is your answer. 264 meter square will be your answer. Okay, copy this one. Class 9, see question number 25. You can see the diagram. It is given like this, and this full portion is color. Okay. So if we have to find area of colored portion, so how will we find area of colored portion? In this type of question, first of all, what you will do, you will join this one. Okay, join this one. Why? To get rectangle. Now you can see this one is one rectangle and this is 4 rectangle. Small 4 rectangle. Okay. Length is given 120, breadth is 90, and each width is 3 meter. Understood up to here? Now area of rectangle 1, I am giving name. This one is 1 and this one is rectangle 2. Okay, because these 4 are small and equal, that is why rectangle 2 and this one is rectangle 1. Okay. Now area of rectangle 1 equals to length into breadth. Now when you are looking in this one, length, breadth is how much? This one is also 3, this one is also 3. So breadth is 3 and length is 120. Length is this. If this is 120, this one is also 120. And breadth is only 3. So length into breadth, 120 into 3, you will get 360. 360 meters square. This one is okay, this one is easy. But when you have to find this area, the smaller one area, how you will find this one? Please concentrate on the board. Now 2 into length of 2. 2 means rectangle 2. If you will get confused, please write it rectangle 2. 2 into length of rectangle 2. See, this one is 1, this one is 1. So 2, I am finding first this one. Plus width of 1. Width of 1 is how much? 3. This one is 3. We have to subtract this one. Equals to 90 meter. Why 90 meter? See class 9, please concentrate. This from this point to this point, it is 90. Now I have to subtract this portion as well as this one. 2 into length means this one. Okay. Why? Because this portion is common in both. I am joining this one to solve the question, but in the question it is not joined. Okay. So what you will do whenever you will get this type of question, first part is okay. The second part, always what you will do, 2 into length of rectangle 2 plus width of 1 means rectangle 1 is equals to 90. Because this spool is 90 meter, this spool is 90 meter, you will subtract this, that is I have written plus width of 1, and what you will do, 2 into length of rectangle 2. Now width of 1 is 3, so you will write plus 3 here. Now this plus 3 will come, it will become minus. 90 minus 3 you will get 87, this 2 will come down. 87 divided by 2 you will get 43.5. Understood up to here? Please multiply this 2 because in each one we have 2 rectangles and I have to find for only 1. Okay, so you will write here length of rectangle 2. Length of rectangle 2 getting 43.5. Okay. Breadth is 3 only. See, breadth is 3. There is no change in breadth, only there will be change in length because this one 3, this one 3. We are subtracting this portion because we are not taking this portion. See, this one is total rectangle, if you will see. But we are joining this one, so this. So what we have to do, we have to subtract this 3. That is why I am subtracting 3 there, and there 2 rectangles are there. That is why 2 into length of rectangle. Understood? Now breadth is 3 only, so area of rectangle 2 is length into breadth 43.5 into 3. You will get 130.5 meters square. Now you have to find area of, I am rubbing this portion, area of color part. So area of color part is equals to area of rectangle 1 plus area of rectangle 2. So area of rectangle 1 you are getting 360 in the first line only. Area of rectangle 2. So how many 2 rectangles are there? 4. So you have to write 4 into, and area of each rectangle is 130.5. So you will write 130.5. Now, so when you will multiply this one, you will get 552, and when you will add this 2, you will get 882 meter square. So this is your answer. Okay, complete this one. Class 9, see this question number 23. There is one mistake, something is not written over there. Question will be the length of diagonal of rectangle is 5 cm. In some book it is written the length of rectangle is 5 cm. No, the length of diagonal of rectangle is 5 cm. Please correct that one. Okay, diagonal, add of diagonal. Okay. Now question is the length of the diagonal of a rectangle is 5 cm. Okay, there is one rectangle like this and diagonal is 5 cm. Okay. The length of perpendicular on a breadth of rectangle from intersecting point of 2 diagonals is 2 cm. First, there 2 diagonals are intersecting each other, and from this intersecting point, one perpendicular is drawn on breadth, because it is written that the length of perpendicular on a breadth of rectangle from intersecting point between two diagonals is 2 centimeter. What is the length of breadth? So this total is 5 centimeter. This one is given, perpendicular length is given 2 centimeter. First of all, write A, B, C, D. Okay, and this one O. So AC is given how much? 5 centimeter. If AC is 5 centimeter, AO will be half. So AO will be 5 by 2 centimeter. It means you will get 2.5 centimeter. AO length will be 2.5 centimeter. Okay. By I am finding AO. See, this one I got 2.5 centimeter by using Pythagoras theorem. In this triangle, I can get half base, and if I will get half base, I can multiply with 2 to get full breadth. Okay, this one is nothing but breadth. So what I will do in triangle, right here E, AOE, H square equals 2P square plus B square. Right here by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now H is 2.2. First write AO square. P is OE. So you will write OE whole square. And base is AO. So AO is 2.5. OE is 2 centimeter, is 2 square. AE square. Now 2.5 square will give you how much? 225 square is 625. So this one will come 6.25. Now this one will come 4 plus AE square. Now 6.25 minus 4 AE square. Now it will come 2.25 equals to AE square. Now AE you will write, this root will come, this side will become 2.5, and you know 225 root is 15, and give 1 point after 1 digit, because here when you are rooting this one square root, if there is 2 digit and before that 2 digit we have decimal, here when we will do root we will give that point before 1 digit. So AE is this. Therefore you will write breadth equals to 2 into AE. It means 2 into 1.5, you will get 3 meter. Okay. So breadth is 2 into A, because A is half and double is AB, which is breadth. So you will get 3 meter. So answer is breadth is 3 meter. Complete this one. Class 9, your homework is exercise 15.1, question number 2 and 4, 24. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the given email ID, and by tomorrow submit your homework. Thank you.